Curious if MagFone's Location Changer really spoofs GPS on Android or iPhone safely and reliably? We'll test features, performance, and privacy so you don't have to. Part 1. What is MagFone Location Changer? This desktop app lets you change your GPS location on iOS and Android devices. Without rooting or jailbreaking, you can teleport anywhere in the world or simulate movement along a custom route. Part 2. Key features of MagFone Location Changer. Part 3. How to use MagFone Location Changer. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Open MagFone Location Changer on your computer and select Change Location from the main screen. Next, tap Start to begin. Either pick a location directly on the map or enter the exact GPS coordinates for your desired spot. Then click the Start Modifying button, and your iPhone's GPS location will be updated instantly. Part 4. Pricing and audience of MagFone Location Changer. Part 5. Pros and cons of MagFone Location Changer. Pros: no root jailbreak, easy to use, multiple movement modes, custom routes and speeds, works with Pokemon Go. Cons: paid, limited trial, occasional connection issues, less stable on iOS 18. Part 6. What could be better than MagFone Location Changer? As one of the best GPS location changers, Virtual Location Tool works on both iOS and Android devices, offering one-click teleportation, customizable movement routes, and joystick control. How to use the best MagFone Location Changer alternative to fake location on your iPhone or Android phone. Download and install the tool. Open it and click Get Started. Connect your Android or iPhone via USB. Once detected, choose Teleport mode, enter your target location, then click Move to set it.